State of Maine and Secretary of State Shenna Bello are being sued by the U.S. Justice Department, trying to force the state to turn over its complete, unredacted voter file.
There was a hearing about that in Portland federal court just this morning. Political Brew host Phil Hirschgordon listened to the arguments. Joins us now to fill us in on what happened today. Hi, Phil.
Hi, Brian and Amanda. The Trump administration says it wants to prevent voter fraud, and accurate voter rolls prevent the opportunity for fraud in federal elections. The lawsuit stems from a voter file request last year that Bello's refused, as have 29 other states. Bello's, Maine's chief election officer, who's represented by the Maine Attorney General, contends the U.S. Constitution is clear that it's the states, not the federal government, that's in charge of our elections. She worries that the file has sensitive information, voters' social security and driver's license numbers, dates of birth, political party affiliations, that is to be kept private, and that no specific purpose has been stated for collecting the voter files from all 50 states. Now, the attorney representing Maine and Bellows told the court, we don't know what they're going to do with that database, but one thing that we strongly suspect, they're going to run it against other databases that the federal government has and then produce lists back to the states that say, we want you to remove those people from your lists. On the other hand, the attorney for the U.S. Justice Department, who rebutted that argument, he said that there is no national database being created. Are we asking all the states for this? Yes. We're not targeting any particular state. We're simply looking at all the states to determine their compliance. Now, I spoke to Secretary of State Bellows in an interview today, and she said that our voting file is clean and checked regularly.
Election officials at the state and local level are always looking to make sure that people who are deceased are removed from the rolls. Similarly, we're always removing duplicate voters and performing list maintenance to ensure that anyone who is moved out of the state or into another jurisdiction is removed from the rolls in a timely way.
So after a 2.5-hour hearing, U.S. District Court Judge Lance Walker told the parties he would have a decision on the Bellows and Maine motion to dismiss that lawsuit soon. So judicial time's like legislative time. Don't hold your breath.
Right, soon is a general term.
He's got a lot of information to process, a lot of court precedents to consider.
All right, Phil, thank you.